In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Cash App account in Nigeria. So I'm going to be as honest as possible. Creating a Cash App account in Nigeria is challenging. It may not work for everybody because there are specific requirements in order to do this. So first of all, before you even begin trying to make an account and downloading Cash App, you will need many different things. So for starters, you will need a VPN. So you will need to download a reliable virtual private network or a VPN service like NordVPN or PureVPN. And basically you want to switch to a server that is in the United States or in the United Kingdom. And then from there, you can go ahead and begin downloading Cash App. So you want to visit Cash App right over here. You can download it on the Google Play Store if you're on Android or the App Store if you're on an iOS device. And on top of having a VPN, you will also need a virtual phone number. You will need either a United States virtual phone number or a United Kingdom virtual phone number. Now, there's many services out there where you can get virtual phone numbers, including Google Voice, Text Now, or Crisp Call. But be cautious because some virtual numbers may not work due to Cash App restrictions. So unfortunately, this isn't an easy process, and unfortunately, it may not work for everybody. It depends specifically where you are in Nigeria as well. And you will need a virtual phone number because whenever you create a Cash App account, it is going to ask you to input a phone number and then you will need to verify it. So that's why I did mention it in this video. You will also need to provide things like a valid name, date of birth, address, and some sources suggest using a United States or UK address, for example, a friend or a virtual address server as well, in order to bypass location restrictions. Now, Cash App may require additional verification, such as your full name, your date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Now, here's the thing, you don't actually need to put your social security number inside a Cash App. However, there are some restrictions. So without a social security number, your account will have limits on sending. So you could only send $250 a week and you could only receive $500 a week as well. So I know it's incredibly frustrating how there's a bunch of different restrictions, especially in Nigeria. But again, I just want to make this video to be as transparent as possible. But with those tools, you are able to attempt to create a Cash App account in Nigeria. All right, now when it comes to actually withdrawing money in Nigeria, what you would need to do is you would actually need to convert it to Bitcoin. So you would need to convert your Cash App balance over to Bitcoin, and then you can withdraw it to your Bitcoin wallet, and then from there you can go ahead and get it to your bank account. So I know using Cash App in Nigeria is such a complicated process, but again, I'm making this video to be as transparent as possible and to just give it to you straight. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.